Hi dearie, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a Google form. I know most of you already know the uses of Google form. Google form is just a simple form where you can send to maybe your student. If you're hosting an online class, you can send to anybody to collect their data. You can use Google form to collect people's information, their name, their phone number, their address, business name. A lot of things can be used that you can use Google form to do. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google form. What you need is just an email address. Once you have an email address, then you are good to create a Google form. So let's go ahead. I'll be sharing my screen with you now. Then we're going to be creating it. After you turn on your internet, just you can use your phone. Oh, that is it. Either your phone or a PC. But because of this video, we'll be using our phone to create that form. So go to your browser and you type on forms dot google dot com forms.google.com. So that's the site we are going to be using to create it. You can still download the application on your phone because there's an app for it. A Google form has an app, but you can still use your own browser to create it. So what you just need to do now is to put the name of the form. This will they put untitled form. I'm selling I have a course on how to set up your Facebook Payout account. So maybe we can just use that one as an example, how to create team. Okay, I can just call this form. You remove this untitled form and put some. Oh, why is it? I don't know why it's not cleaning off. Let me do it this way. Okay. Facebook monetization class, for instance. So if that is the name of what you are collecting, then you cannot put a form description. This description describes what it's about. I will just say, oh, this is a 7 days class for content creators. Then you put more details what the form is about. So when you are done with that, you go. We are going to be they wrote this form is collecting emails. You can change the settings so that it will not collect emails. What that means is that before anybody can fill this form, they have to sign into your Google account so that they will collect the original email that they had on their phone the minute they are filling this form. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand what I just explained, you can ask the comment section. But let me explain one more time. What this particular thing means that this form is collecting emails. It means that when they fill this form, the email that they use to open this form, that email will be collected by the form automatically. So they will have to sign into to Google before they can actually fill this form. But most people don't use it because sometimes when you are filling a form, you see that this you have to send to your Google account. Most people just back at, they don't even go ahead and fill the form. So most times you just remove that setting so that it will not discourage persons from filling the form. So you can go to change settings and change that setting. Just go to change settings. You are already there, then you can now remove it. We have manage how responses are collected. Then you can put collect email address. You can now put on do not collect. Then you go back to the questions. So now we're going to be putting a question here. Maybe you can put name for a start. Name. So that's the first thing. So it can be a short answer. We have short answer. We have paragraph. That is what you are enabling the person to type out. So a person's name is supposed to be short, not to have a paragraph. So I think short answer is perfect for this particular one. Then you can even make it bold. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. So you can make it require. Require means that the person has to put in their name. If they don't put in their name, they can't go ahead with the next option. Hope you get. So this required, you can click on it and turn it on. Most people turn this thing on their Google Form so that they can be able to make sure that people fill in the right details. Sometimes when you give out form to people, they don't actually feel what you actually want. They just keep some parts out. This required feature will force them to make sure that that feed is not empty. So when we are done with this, we are going to be adding more form. You click on duplicate item. You can duplicate the item, then to go to the next part. Then you now edit it and put maybe your name. Then at this point you can put WhatsApp number. Is it required? You make it required or not, and it's going to be asterisk. If, as you can see now, let me check. This WhatsApp number is showing asterisk. That is red asterisk because it's required. If you don't make it required, if you turn on the icon for being required, you see that red asterisk is going to leave. So you just go on and create. So this plus icon is used to add other questions. When you are done with the first question, you can use that plus icon to add. Instead of duplicating, just click on add. So I've already click on it now. That's the plus icon. It will add a new question. So under the new question, you cannot put something else. If you want to collect your email address now, you cannot put email address. Then we also have date of birth. You can still use, okay, let me edit this particular question now and put date of birth. And in this part of date of birth, you don't just use short answer. It has automatically changed to date. If you check this option here, you see that it has by itself changed to date. You are seeing it now. I believe you can see it on the screen. It has by itself changed to date. You don't use short answer because this is actually we help them feed the date here, but you have to still edit something. Under this place, you see month, day, and year. You have to change it because not everybody want to put the year that they are born, especially if it's not so required in him. So just click on these three dots and remove this part. This part they put include year. You remove it. So it shall be showing month and day. That's the month they were born and the day they were born. I think that's perfect. Except the year is important because not everybody want to share the year they were born. So you have to know that. So you have to edit it and remove the year the way I showed you now. So you can still arrange it to see the way it is now. It's now like the email address is not showing at the bottom. You can arrange it. You just use this particular one to drag it down, then to where you want it to be. Let's see. Let's drag this email up. Okay, I've dragged email up now. As you can see now, so you can see now the email address is first, the name is there, WhatsApp number, date of birth. You can still keep on adding using this plus icon to add whatever question you want to ask. Just keep on adding, and when you are done, click on this button here, and they are saying publish form. So you have to publish this form. You have to manage who can respond to this form. Under the responders, click on manage, then they will show you other options. This editor view means who can edit the form, like who can go to your form and then change whatsoever you want to change in the questions and all that. That's what editor views means. So do you want anybody to just go and edit it, to edit the form you have created? I think you don't want that, so just leave it as restricted. Yes. Then for the filling of the form, anyone with the link can fill it. Then when you are done, you not click on done. You can also add some email address here, people that you want to share the form with too. So when you are done, click on done and click on publish. You publish the form, then you have a link. You already seen a link. You have seen it. After publishing it, you cannot see the form and copy the link. See the link here, just copy it. Then you can click on shorten link. The link is too long, shorten it and click on copy and send that link to people to start filling the form. So if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section. I hope this helps. And this video, notice that this background is blank. I use a different background for this video. So this background is not the main background I used to shoot this video. this is the main background I use. So if you want to learn how to change your background for your video, just check my channel. I did a video on how to change background. If at the title you see this background is fake, it's just on my channel. It's a recent video I created before this one. So just check on my channel and watch that video. Just check on my playlist. I have a lot of videos for editing, a lot of videos that may actually interest you. So just go ahead, watch them, and subscribe to my channel, because I believe you are getting value from my content. Just click on the subscribe button and put on your notification button so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I love you so much. Bye bye.